Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be talking about the winter solstice, the importance of natural light, and what we can do to find light within these dark days. In the northern hemisphere, the winter solstice will be on December 21st of this year. So what is the winter solstice? It is the day with the longest night and the shortest amount of daylight. This happens because the Earth is tilted on an axis of 23.5 degrees. When the Earth rotates around the Sun, we get seasons as the hemispheres become closer or further away from the sunlight. The winter solstice is when the Sun reaches its southernmost point in the sky. So the days leading up to the winter solstice become shorter and shorter, but after the winter solstice, they start becoming longer again. So over these past few weeks and months, the amount of sunlight that we are getting each day has been decreasing. So how does this darkness impact our mood, and why is light so important? When we spend time in the natural sunlight, we receive a boost of serotonin because of the vitamin D that our body is receiving. Serotonin is the key hormone that stabilizes our mood, feelings of well-being, and happiness. In the winter, when it's dark out, we might not get as much natural sunlight, and this can lead to lower levels of vitamin D, which means lower levels of serotonin production. This means we might not feel as happy, or our moods might feel more unstable. There are 4 major chemicals in the brain that influence our happiness: dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, and endorphins. So what can you do to make sure you're getting enough serotonin even when you're not receiving as much natural light? Luckily, there are many ways to get serotonin. I want to preface this by saying that I am not a health professional in any way, and if you are struggling with your mental health, I will link some resources down below. These tips are meant to help release stress and bring some light to these dark days. First of all, exercising can help. Exercise can have so many physical and mental health benefits. However, I acknowledge that it's always really important to listen to your mind and body, so if you need to rest, please do so. But it is good to move your body in different ways. This can mean going for a walk, or dancing around, or strength training. How you choose to exercise is up to you, but exercise is shown to increase levels of endorphins as well as serotonin. The next thing you might want to try is meditation. Spending time meditating and focusing on your breath can help clear your mind and reduce stress. Meditation can increase the release of dopamine, which can help boost your mood. It is also shown to have other long-term health benefits. Gratitude correlates with the release of dopamine and serotonin. Expressing gratitude is one way to feel a little bit happier through these winter months, or when you're feeling stressed or a little bit sad. This last one is what I personally like to do around the winter months. However, I have not researched if it has any scientific standing. I like to try and bring some light inside, whether that's through fairy lights or candles. I hope you're able to bring some brightness to these dark winter days, and look forward to December 22nd when the days slowly start to get longer again. Make sure to give this video a like if you enjoyed watching, and check out the giveaway over on our Instagram. Thanks for watching, and happy holidays!